Hello guys, so welcome back to Lowcarb. Today I will show you how to do this Christmassy treat. So, let's just get started. So the ingredients that you will need is some green frosting. If you want to know how to do this green frosting, please write me in the comments down below and my mom will just tell you all the details about it. Then you will be needing some raspberries and some strawberries, some homemade cupcakes. My mom also did these, and we will maybe do a video how to do these. So you will need some sprinkles to decorate the Christmas tree on your cupcake. And then you will need this little snowflakes. You don't need snowflakes, you can also take stars or something, but I only have snowflakes, so yeah, that's why. So yeah, let's get started. So first you take your cupcake. With the big cupcakes, if you do a big cupcake, it's better if you cut the top, because you know every cupcake has a round top, and that's why I would cut it. So yeah, but anyway, now you take your frosting and for the small ones I'm using the raspberries, for the big ones I'm taking strawberries. But today I'm gonna do only one, and that's the raspberry one, because it would take too long if I'm doing these. So yeah, all of these. So yeah, let's just get started. So first, to put the raspberry on, you just put a little bit of frosting right here, and you put a raspberry on the cupcake. Why we're putting frosting down? So it stays, the raspberry stays on your little tiny cupcake. So now let's do the green part of the Christmas tree. So you gotta start from the edge and do this little points. It's the best if you have a plate or something that turns, because then you can turn it the whole time. So after you get the downer row, you start going up and up. And make sure to do it beautiful so your Christmas tree looks nice. And if you don't have these bags, then just take a Ziploc bag. Now I got the second row. Look, I don't know how many rows you can do, but I think just do so many rows until you get up, and you will see what to do when we get up. So I'm gonna turn, because now I can't touch it anymore. Maybe I can touch, no. Okay. So we're finally getting to the top. So I'm trying to do this trick really nice. And now, if you are done with all the rows, then you just put a little like thingy on the top, twirl on the top. So now let's decorate the Christmas tree with the sprinkles. So I'm going to take different colors of sprinkles and just put them on the little Christmas tree. I have different colors. You can also take different colors, but you don't have to. You can also take like only one color. I have light green, yellow, blue, and pink. And I really like decorating stuff, so that's why this is a bonus for me. Cute. I really like this. This tree looks beautiful. And I also like shiny bowls. And one last pearl. And I think I'm going to take the color yellow. I decided to still do a little bit of the light green balls, and then I'm totally done. Beautiful. I really like this tree. I love it. I don't like it. I love it. Now, this is something that you don't have to do. You can put your star snowflake now up on the top. I'm putting it because I like it. It's really nice, but you don't have to put it. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.